Hello friends, welcome back. Can we count the cars, the trucks and the two-wheelers on the road from an image? Yes, we are going to do that, but this time in a very simple way with deep learning, and we are going to use something very interesting called as CVLib. Many of us are using TensorFlow or many other complex stuff for building this kind of system, but CVLib is the easiest one that you can use. CVLib is a library from Python and you can use it with ease. I'm going to show you that right now. Let's go ahead and start coding. Before we go into the code, I'm going to show you the images that we are going to use. So these are all the images which will be used to understand the cars. We can count the cars and two-wheelers and trucks, all those things from this. So I've got many other sample images as well. We are going to see a couple of them and see how our system works at the end of it. Well, let's get into the coding. So pip install CVLib. This is something very important. You can do this in the command prompt or you can do this through the code. I prefer doing the second way. So import pandas as PD, import numpy as MP, import matplotlib.pyplot as plot, import cv2, import cvlib as cv. So this is mandatory prerequisites that you have to meet, and from cvlib.object detection you are importing drawbox, and from numpy.lib.polynomial you are importing poly. That's all. So the moment you do that, you can run this piece of code, and if you are not getting any errors, go ahead with it. So the requirement is already met. I've been running this code, and since I ran it already, you can see that the requirement is already met. Message has come. Now what are we going to do? We are going to display the input image first for our understanding. So I am reading it with imread. This is a very simple function, imread, and the image that I have taken is car_1. You can see this here, car_1 is here. So this is the one that I have taken for the reference and for understanding. Now I am displaying it. So I am converting it to, you can see that here I am converting it to BGR to RGB. I use the cv2.color underscore BGR to RGB, and I am just displaying it with the title, input image, and the font size for the same is specified. That's all. Now what I am going to do, I am going to get the counting done. cv2.color underscore BGR to RGB is done, and you can see that this is the one that we need to understand. These two lines are important. Box comma label comma count equal to cv.detect underscore common objects image. Image is nothing but the input image. The method that we are using is detect common objects, and then we draw a box around it and we are displaying it, and we are printing the number of cars in the image easily after that. I'm going to run it through right now so that you can understand how exactly it works. You could see that this is the input image and the output is here. So you can see that it is detecting the person, the car, the bus, all these are detected, and this has happened in a very quick time frame, and you have written a very simple piece of code for you to accomplish this task. So number of cars in this image is 17. That's all. I hope you liked it. I'll give the link of this particular notebook also in the chat so that you can go through it, and if you have any questions, ask me. I'll be able to happily help you and answer your questions. Thank you.